Hello and welcome to my channel On the Hook Crochet, where we talk about wearable crochet style. And let's see what's on the hook today. Well, what was on the hook a couple months ago was this beautiful shawl that I made from the Fortune Shawlette pattern. And the yarn is Deborah Norville Garden Serenity or Serenity Garden. I don't know which. I've lost the band for it, but it's not made anymore. I can't find it anywhere. If somebody can find it, please put it in the comments section. But I don't believe it's available in the 100%. It's actually acrylic, number 1 or 2. It's very, very small. But look how beautiful it is in this pattern. It turned out really nicely, and it's so lightweight and easy to wear in the summertime. So I have found myself wearing it with white. I wear it with green, and I've actually worn it with pink, and it looks kind of pretty. So I thought I would wear that today and show you that you can wear crochet in the summertime. Some people said, I just really hate wearing crochet in the summer. But you know, if you make things out of lightweight material and you don't put a turtleneck on them, you can wear them low like this so that your neck can still breathe. And it gives your outfit a lot more pizzazz if you have some color at your face. So that's just been the way I've always dressed. I've always enjoyed wearing my crochet in the summertime. So thought I would bring that to you today and tell you what pattern I used is the Fortune Shawlette, and I'll put a link to it down in the description box so you can find it if you'd like to. Today is Monday, and it's Giveaway Monday, so I'm glad you're here. I have 3 giveaways to do, and I'm excited because I'm cleaning out my office and I'm working on it. I love yarn, just like all of you ladies do. I love yarn. I love to go shop for it. I like to order it online. I like to get packages in the mail. All of that is so much fun. So we can't help that. But since I'm approaching the end of summer, and I still have a couple more things I'm designing for the summertime, but I need to clear out some of my summer yarn, and honestly there are 2 or 3 more months of warm weather, so you could certainly put together a sweater, cotton sweater or something like that, or a shawl out of something lightweight that you can wear from now until it gets cool in the fall. So I'm going to describe the 3 items that I'm giving away on Friday. The first item is 2.5 balls of cotton fair in the lavender color. Now, if you have watched my channel, you know that I made the lavender and lace top out of this yarn, and I love it. I wear it quite a bit, and if it wasn't approaching the end of summer, I'd probably make another one, but it wouldn't be in the lavender. This is just yarn that's going to sit around, and I would rather somebody have it and use it and maybe make the lavender and lace pattern with it. I don't know, but it's right about 700 yards. I have 2 full skeins of 317 yards, and then over half a ball of the lavender as well. So that looks like about 3, 6, 7, approaching 800 yards of cotton fair, and it is plenty to make a summer top from. So if you need another ball, you can go out and order it. It's still available. And I will try to put a link to it maybe on Amazon. I know I could probably get it there, and so I might put a link to Amazon in the description box. Or you can see if Joann's has it or Michael's. All right, the second giveaway winner will receive the same amount of yarn in the moss green, and this is the cotton fair moss green, 317 yards on a ball, and there's another half a ball here. So I only used a little bit from this to put the few stripes that I did on the armor shawl from Holly Miller, and I have a video about that, and you can look at it if you want, but it's really just some yards taken off to do that little bit on the armor shawl, and other than that I haven't touched these. And I was going to make a summer top out of these, and I just have too many summer tops in the hopper. So I don't need any more summer tops. So this will go to giveaway winner number 2. Giveaway winner number 3 will receive 1,200 yards of ice cream in the color Mochi, M-O-C-H-I, or Mochi, maybe it's Mochi. That is an ice cream color, I suppose, but it is white and light gray and and yellow, almost the same colors I used for my side-to-side sweater that I released on Saturday. And by the way, this would be perfect to make in that. I think I would love to see it if you made this in the side-to-side sweater pattern that I just released, and I would love to see it, but you can do anything you want with this. Of course, there's 1,200 yards, so that's a lot of yarn. You could make a baby blanket and several baby items out of it. I don't know. There's just a lot of things you can make from it, but there are 3 full balls of that will go to giveaway winner number 3. So I just wanted to get on here and talk about my giveaway for the week. I am traveling this week, so Friday may be a stretch. I'm not sure if I can get to a giveaway on Friday evening because I'll probably be traveling Friday back home, and Saturday may work out better, so I might do it on Saturday. But I just wanted to get on here and do my Monday giveaway because I didn't want to forget my viewers and subscribers. I appreciate all you beautiful ladies who write to me and who talk about my patterns. And on Saturday when I released my pattern for free, I had sent out by early afternoon 106 pattern inquiries, and then they keep coming into my email. So I'm sending them out as fast as I can get them. And I'm just really excited that anybody cares to order it. I think you'll like it though, because one thing I didn't tell you, and I think I started talking about the stretch across, because it's made side to side. There's good stretch in the sweater. If you have a large bust, it works great because that is plenty of stretch. There's nothing pulling on that. And especially if you just make the cap sleeves, you won't have any pull. But if you put sleeves in it, they probably wouldn't pull either. I think it will work out great. I know when I was wearing it, I felt like it was really, really good and stretchy. So I like the way that the side-to-side rows work in crochet. They make it very, very stretchy. I don't know about knitting. I'm not a knitter, so I don't know if that works in knitting, but I do know it works in crochet. So I hope you'll join me next time, and we can together find out what's on the hook.